Hey guys, what's going on? Nothing. It's a bit boring. Just out doing some errands. Had to put some money, shift money in the bank account so I can pay for the uterus tomorrow. Didn't get it today because we weren't ready for it, basically. So I'll pick it up tomorrow, keep it for 2 days, move all the small stuff, and then the moving guys come on Monday to move the big stuff, and yeah. So power, water and gas is on at the new house. Phone should be on today. Internet on Monday. It's all happening. If you remember last time when I moved without power for, what was that? I think it was 9 days or something, because the power company had their head up their ass. So to have everything happen so fast this time around, just absolutely brilliant. So yeah. So now off to hunt for some more boxes. So back to Bunnings and Officeworks. Then we'll get a bit of lunchy. And that is my afternoon, really. And then more packing. Guys, it's Friday. That means sausage sizzle! I cannot help but to appreciate a good sausage sizzle. And you guys know I love my sausage sizzle. And we should check the post while we're here as well. Yeah, getting boxes from places, getting some lunch. Check the post. But yeah, $4. With onion, mind you. I ain't complaining. Nom 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 nom. Come open the door. It is hot as balls today. I'm sweating. Sweating. Alright. What's that? Wow. This is what was in the mail box. I left it till I got home because Mum's been waiting for this for quite a while. Do you want to tell them what it is before you open it?
No, I can't because it mightn't be it because I've bought quite a few things.
Oh, God.
But this is you making fun of me.
She goes on those deal sites, you know, where not eBay. It's all like auction sites, and it's nobody bids until the last 15 seconds. So she tries to get things for like 6 cents or something like that. Go on, what is it? Show me what it is. It's a moose. What's that?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Oh, I bought that for you.
I don't even know what it is.
It's a cleaning thing for all your camera and all that.
Okay, cool.
And I bought myself a new mouse because mine's had it.
Alright.
And I bought that for the little starer.
Oh my god. And what's that?
I don't know.
Well, know what it is? It's crap!
Shut up! Shut up! No, I'm going to tell you something first.
Yeah. What are you going to tell me?
4 things. What's this?
What is it?
I'll show it for your sister. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you want to know how much I paid?
12 cents.
6 cents for the whole lot.
And how much did it cost to post it?
Free postage. I don't want to make any money.
6 cents.
6 cents.
Good job, Mum.
Wait for me.
We're in Bunnings, as you do. This Mum needs a knob.
Shut up.
Look at all those knobs. Oh, look at this one, it's polished. She pulled all the knobs off the kitchen cupboards, so we've got to replace them all now. That was smart. They curry all over them, is that what you're saying?
No, it's disgusting. What's that one? What's big?
Oh, that's just so pretty. Yay! I found what you need. There's 2 knobs.
I don't need a knob set. Get away from me.
Need a snake to go with that knob. Slung over the shoulder. Climb on in. Heaps of room around here. Bunnings, you've done it again. Jeez. Come on, woman. You can fit that shit.
Come on, hold the paint before I cover myself in it.
God, see? You are useful after all.
too. Do you want me to get the bus home?
Overtaken. You know the stupid thing is? Yeah, look at that. That's bullshit. They did not even need to get through. Because she was waiting at the on-ramp back there to get onto this road. She was in such a rush, why didn't she use the siren to get through the on-ramp and onto the road faster? Look, now she's stuck behind traffic. Total abuse of power. That's bullshit. I call bullshit. Barry no pants. I don't know if you can see that, because it was behind a tree. That was Barry. He had no pants. Do
you know that Barry No Pants now rides a push bike? It's very scary.
I wonder where the seat goes. Fire! Holy shit. That guy crashed on the front lawn. I don't know if you can see that, it's probably too dark, but there was this car, like, through the fence of this front lawn, front end just totally smushed. That was nuts. Anyway, we're off in the dark. I smell good again, so that obviously means I'm going somewhere. You know our big gathering on November 26th for the Melbourne YouTube group, plus friends, etc, etc. We're having a battle of the bands tonight, and for people to obviously compete, and the winners go on to play at the gathering. So that's where I'm going. It's a battle of the bands. So lots of YouTubers, lots of music, and that's about it. I've gotta get out of this town. I've gotta get away.
On Facebook and all that stuff, and come say hi. Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah.
You lit on me, in my little night. In my little night.
Done. Well, they're not done. There's still 2 bands to go, but I'm done. Oh, it's so loud in there. Loud, awesome though. I could feel it in my teeth, it was that loud. Screw the ears. I can't really hear much at the moment, but yeah, teeth were like grinding because it's so loud. Some really good bands. So yeah, not up to me to choose though. It's up to the powers that be, so I hope they choose some good ones, because there were some good ones. Yeah. Need some food desperately. 11 o'clock, still haven't eaten dinner. I told you my loser this week would suck ass. Shit happens though. Let's go get a pizza. So much for pizza. Macca's it is. Macca's was closer. I could see it from where I was parked, so don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me.